Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up the two-factor authentication in the Airbnb application. The first thing you have to do is enter the app. After you have done that and you are in the home page, you should look down below and in the right corner you will find the profile option. Press on it. And here you should scroll down a little bit and under the settings category you will find the login and security option. Press on it. You wait a little bit and once it loads in you can see here the first option appearing to you, which is set up two-step authentication, and press set up now. After that press continue down below. And you can see that you can do it by two ways. You can either receive a code in the text message or receive a phone call. Now I'm going to go with the text message, and I already have a pre-selected number here, so I'm going to press on that. And now I should wait until they send me a message and write in the 4-digit code. Now it has arrived, seems like. And now I have to enter a PIN and confirm that PIN. And just press next. Oh, it must be 6 digits. So just 2 more digits, press next. And now I have to choose a question, for example, where were you born? And answer. Or any other country, I guess. And answer that only you know. And the second question, what was the name of your first pet, for example? And answer like the name of it. And you can even add the third question, but it's not necessary, and press next. Oh, seems like it's necessary, so add the third question, what's your food that you're allergic to, and I don't know, just write in some food here like maybe apple or something, and press next. And now the two-step authentication was set, and just press done at the bottom of your screen. So this is all about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.